Hello, I'd like to show you how our new script works. Install the script in the ScriptUI panels of your version of After Effects, then open the script in the window menu and select Batch Comp Normalizer. You can easily integrate it into the program's interface in any way you like. So let's get started. Let's say you have a bunch of different layouts containing various objects, such as badges, price tags, and so on, that are scattered all over the place. The layouts are larger than necessary, and you want to tidy things up. But there could be hundreds of these layouts, and doing it all by hand would take forever. And why bother? After all, our script can do it in seconds. Just select the folder containing all the compositions you want to normalize, click Normalize Size, choose a size or auto crop and padding, and select whether to create copies or modify originals. There are several scanning modes if the compositions contain animation, but if there is no animation, simply turn off Scan Work Area Animation to speed up the process, and then click Normalize. That's it. As you can see, all the compositions have been cropped to fit the content within each one, regardless of their position, and taking into account the padding value specified in the script. And if your compositions include animation, the script can also take that into account so that objects aren't cropped out. For example, as shown here, the object is moving, and the script will adjust the size of each composition within the boundaries of each object's animation. Next, select the folder containing the desired compositions, check the Scan Work Area Animation box, and click Normalize. The script will analyze all object positions and crop the compositions correctly. As you can see, the object moves without going beyond the composition's boundaries, maintaining the selected padding. You can also copy the properties of any effect and apply them to all similar effects in other compositions. For example, this layer has a shadow effect that creates a shadow like this from the object. Open Effect Sync and copy the effect settings from the selected layer. You can choose Target Layers, but I'll leave it set to Same Layer Name. Look, there are shadow effects on objects in other compositions as well, but they're all different and have different settings. I'll apply the effect settings from the source layer to all effects in the selected folder, and as you can see, all the effects now have the exact same shadow settings. You can synchronize the settings of any effects across hundreds of layers in seconds without spending a lot of time on it. You can also synchronize all text properties across all compositions with a single click. As you can see, the text properties vary across all compositions. Different colors, weights, strokes, etc. Select the source text, copy its properties, choose the attributes and destination, and click Apply Text. As you can see, all the text in all compositions now has the same properties. You can also find and replace any text across all compositions. For example, I have several compositions with specifications. I want to replace the Aurora X1 model with a different one throughout all of them. For instance, I'll enter a long model name like this. Next, you can select the target and other parameters, then click Apply Replace. As you can see, the text has been replaced everywhere. But there's a problem. All the text was left aligned. To preserve the original alignment, there's a special option called Keep Replaced Text Aligned. Select which edge you want to keep the alignment aligned to, click Apply Replace, and, as you can see, the text has been replaced while preserving the left alignment. You can also fit the new text into the same original dimensions, if needed. To do this, select Auto Fit Replaced Text to Original Bounds, and the new text will be the same size as the original. As you can see, the text in all the compositions now has the same size as it did in the previous text. There's also an option to synchronize any color across all compositions. For example, here all the badges are different colors. You can easily do this with a single click. Just select the source layer, copy its color properties, select a target, choose Create Copies or modify the original, and apply colors to all selected compositions. And now all the badges in all compositions are the same color. Our script can also clean up compositions by removing various types of clutter. For example, here I have several compositions with different layers that the script can automatically delete, such as disabled layers, guide layers, empty text layers, and so on. You can select only the ones you want to delete. Click Apply Cleanup, and the script will delete all selected layer types. And as you can see, the script skipped over and did not delete the locked layers, as noted in the script. And here's one last useful feature of our script that will help you get your timing in order in your compositions. For example, I have several compositions that have different durations, different layer durations, different work areas, and different frame rates, as you can see in these compositions. Just launch Time Tools. Here, you can set the duration of the compositions, set a uniform frame rate, set the duration of the work area, and configure other options, such as extend layers to comp duration, and then click Apply Time. Take a look at the result. As you can see, all the compositions have the same duration, frame rate, and work area, and it all took just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching, and hope you find our script useful.